Watch your background. Look how clean that background is. I'm shooting down, I'm laying on the ground, shooting that picture bottom up, okay, because I want those trees. I shot that picture, I think was it 7200. Yeah, it was a 7200 at 2.8, right? So the key here, how I'm going to shoot two people in 2.8. There is this whole thing, oh, you can't shoot at 2.8 when you have more than one person because one of them is going to get out of focus. Not if you line up their noses. Line up their noses, okay? Line up their noses. You can have 10 people and shoot at 2.8 as long as the noses are all lined up, okay? You focus on the eyes and off you go. All right, so line up their noses, and I'm shooting down a little bit higher, right down, up a little bit, just to get, why you went all the way down, because when I go down, they go up. I want their heads against that background, against the tree, because I'm shooting 2.8, and there's a long line of trees, there's a long tree line there, and the trees, they meet in the center. That's the effect that we get. So watch your background, always watch your background, okay? Because sometimes distractions is a killer in photography, okay?